So how's you and Bernice?
I thought we agreed that we weren't going to talk about that. I'm in shambles.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's alright.
You ever get that feeling like somebody's ever watching you?
Well, I'm kind of short, so I get the feeling that they're all overlooking me.
Yeah, sometimes you get that feeling too, but I'm taller than you.
Just wanted to tell you to buckle up.
Dude, mine's stuck! Dude, mine's stuck! It's stuck! What?
It's the claw.
I will eat your soul.
I like that.
Hey, guys, hi.
Hey! My bad. My B dog. My B.
What did I get? Nathan, you missed your line.
You lied.
Oh.
What was his
I
line?
didn't know I had a lie.
What was his line?
So, what do you like in your cereal?
What kind of freaking question is that? What do you like in your cereal?
I like pumpkin pie and ice cream. No, never.
Uh,